Revive your hair with L-Vive. 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 Hey guys, happy January. I cannot believe the first month of the brand new year, 2018, is already done. It's kind of crazy. I feel like 2018 this year is all positive vibes. I feel like a lot of people had kind of a rough 2017. This year it's just gonna be about positivity and keeping people around you that are really positive. And I feel like there's a lot of women empowerment happening right now. I decided that every month now when I do my monthly roundups, I'm gonna do my favorite videos. Sorry, not my favorite videos. Favorite products of the month, my least favorite products of the month, but also share some highlights of the month with you guys that I hope encourages you guys to share your highlights with me. And we're gonna only keep it positive. We're not gonna talk about the bad things, we're gonna talk about the good things. And I hope you like this pony situation. I just can't with my hair sometimes. Is it long? Is it short? Is it in between? Or is it even in that in between, or weirdly in between and then the long? Does that make any sense at all? I'm gonna start off the video by talking about the highs of the month and then go into my favorites and unfavorites. If you wanna go straight into the favorites, go right here. I'll put a little thing about where those start. The first thing that went well is that I am step one. Like I told you guys, I'm turning my garage into a home studio and office. On this side is a storage place, on this side is gonna be desks, and right here is the filming area. I will do a full tour when it is complete. The other really exciting thing that happened this month is the Golden Globes. Like, holy crap, I can't believe that happened. And more than anything, I can't believe I got to witness Oprah IRL giving that iconic speech. I will remember that for the rest of my life. The chills and the power of that moment is insane. The other thing that I'm very excited about January is I told myself beginning into the new year, I was going to make it so I would have the Instagram handle of just my first name across all social media outlets. Guess what? I got ish done. Minus Twitter, it's okay. There's a girl who's actively using Deepica. I tweet, but not as much as she does, so I was like, girl, you can have Deepica. Deepicam is now officially Deepica. So many people think my name is Deepicam or Deepicam, like with an M at the end. Like people come up to me and say that, and I think they're just like saying my handle, but that's not the case. They think that's my name. Deepicam, camera, Deepica M, as in my last name, Mutyala. If you never got that, that's why it's there. I changed it across YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I am now at Deepica. It just feels like it's just easier. That's all. It's kind of cool because I said I was gonna get it done and I did. Got it done. I think those are my like highs of the month. Something I want to improve upon. I keep talking about my fitness journey. Since I've moved to LA, I have not had any routine, and I've just kind of been getting down on myself, and honestly less about like a size and like a number on a dress, but more about like I feel really unhealthy because of it. Like when I run, it helps my like day-to-day mental zen, my mental health, and like I just haven't been on it. I've been eating like crap, and it's just like this vicious cycle. My girlfriends and I are all going to like go to the gym together, hold each other accountable. I think when you hold each other accountable, it makes it much easier. But yeah, I just like don't like the fact that I'm like feeling down about something that's so in my control. The other thing I want to get better and improve upon is taking vitamins. I just never did it or made it a priority, but I'm starting to realize like my health, like I have vitamin D deficiency. I mean, I feel like a lot of people do, but still, like it's an easy thing. They even make them in gummy form now. Getting healthier overall, including like taking vitamins, going to the gym, workout routine, that's all a part of my things I want to improve upon. Now let's get right into my monthly favorites. So the first product I want to talk to you guys about is one that I use. It's become like a beautiful favorite canvas for my face. It is this Bobbi Brown Extra Golden Glow Illuminating Moisture Balm. I like used to love Bobbi Brown, you know, it's like an iconic brand, but then it like kind of went away in my life with all these new brands emerging, and I just got a bunch of stuff sent from them, and like this color, especially the Golden Glow, there's another shade too, but if you have my skin tan or warmer tones, this Golden Glow is beautiful. It gives your face just like this perfect illumination. Check that out. I feel like it just gives like a healthy skin finish, you know, like almost like you have that one filter, not the Snapchat filter, but the Instagram one that looks like you have a nice filtered skin. That one, that's what this feels like. This one I really like to just wear on its own. Honestly, it just makes your face look like healthy and youthful. I'm trying to think of the biggest difference between the Max Strobe Cream and this Bobbi Brown one. I think they feel very similar. This one feels a little thinner and lighter on your face, I guess you would say. The MAC one is heavier, but the MAC one's a little more moisturizing, and this one feels like it's giving you a prettier glow. So it's kind of like which one you prioritize more or need more, but as of right now, I'm just like really loving this Bobbi Brown Golden Glow, and I'm excited to re-bring Bobbi Brown back into my life. It's been a while. Another product that I am loving this month is this brand of brushes from Smith. You have heard me talk about this before in my collab video with my girl Melissa, because she is obsessed with these brushes. They have such quality hairs on the brush. The pickup it has and the way it just like, it's just like flawless. It just makes me feel flawless. I'm obsessed. But the ones that I'm the most obsessed with, if you want to invest in brushes, is the Smith brushes for your eyeshadow. Those ones are bomb. The way they blend your shadow out is incredible. Check out Melissa's videos if you want to see that. She uses them a lot in hers. Next up is a hair product, and this is the L'Oreal Elvive. Oh my God. That's pathetic that I said Elvive when I literally had to pronounce the name of this thing 5 billion times. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. So here's the deal. I'm always super transparent with you guys. I do have a partnership with L'Oreal. I'm very grateful for that partnership with L'Oreal. It was a dream opportunity. They took me to things like the Golden Globes. What that means is that I get products sent to me every single month for my review. They ask me if I'm interested in promoting it. I get to decide whether I want to promote it or not. If I don't like the product, I don't do it. Or I'll tell you if I don't like it. They do not control my thought process. I have a partnership with L'Oreal because I naturally use their products. So when they approached me for a partnership, it was a dream opportunity and I took it. They actually did not tell me to include this product in my favorites video this month. So I just want to make that super clear with you guys. I got the opportunity to try this product and thought it smelled incredible. It's super affordable, either $5.99 or $6.99, depending on where you're buying it. I actually just used it 2 days ago in my hair, and I kept playing with my hair today, and I was like, I have to include this in my monthly favorites. I remember when they first told me, they were like, after one use, you'll see smoother, silkier hair that's more revived. Revive your hair with Elvive. Revive your hair with Elvive. You guys, my hair feels incredible. Helps signs of split ends, weakness, rough, dull, dehydrated hair. So I'm gonna keep going with it. It's so cheap. Why not try it out if you're looking for a mask, and it smells so good too. But I was really happy that I like this product because I'm going to be in an infomercial on the television promoting this thing. So like, ain't no girl gonna go, well, that's a lie. People probably would go on TV and promote a product they don't like. I would not do that and put my name against it because I know how much you guys actually trust the things I talk about and tell you to get. I would not steer you the wrong way. It's not worth an immediate paycheck for the long run and losing your trust. I just need to make that clear. Anyways, it was a cool experience. I hope you guys see it on TV. If you do, definitely let me know all over the social media world. Now back to your original programming. Another favorite is shocking. It is from Venti Beauty. I heard some mixed reviews on this product from my girlfriends. It's the Stunna Lip Paint and Uncensored. Every product they come out with, I just think is genius. Whether it's like my favorite or not, it's genius. The story of the brand is genius. Everything she's doing is genius. The way she's marketing it is genius. And I always look at things from a 360 because I'm a dork that used to be on the marketing side of stuff. So I get excited about really cool packaging. I'm obsessed because I have this pretty pink on right now. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but I wear it all the time, so you're gonna see it all over the gram a lot because it's become my obsession. And honestly, I don't think it's because I'm falling into the marketing. I had some friends say they felt like it had bleeding or like it felt dry. I don't feel that way at all. Like I truly don't. I felt like it felt really comfortable on my lips. I wouldn't say it was as comfortable as the NARS ones or the Smashbox ones that I love, but I really like it. And I think this color red looks really good on me. It's like a true red. I think it pops and I love how it looks on all skin tones. I think she nailed it. Okay, so next I want to take back an unfavorite I did in a previous month. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I don't feel like it's right to the brand to not give it justice. So this is the Tatcha Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. And in a previous video, I said it was an unfavorite of mine because I felt like it was too expensive for what it did and I felt like it dried out my lips. I'm convinced I must have had something else on my lips that day because I had a facial done by Yoli, who's like the Tatcha's like person who does these like incredible facials. She used this on my lips and I was like, oh Yoli, you know, I'm not really a fan. I've had like a bad experience. And she was like, what? There's no way. And she put it on my lips and I was like, yeah, whatever. You guys, I woke up the next day and my lips felt like life changed. And I was like, whatever, Yoli must have used a different product on me. I'm gonna use mine again. I started using it and now nothing else will go on my lips. Like I'm so about fresh skin these days. So lately when I just like don't feel like wearing makeup and rocking out my skin and showing the pigmentations on my color, I'll just put like an all over glow like this Bobbi Brown or a stroke cream or something, put on this Tatcha lip, filling it in my brows and be done to go. I kind of just like the fact that like my whole face just looks like it's just like dewy and moisturized, you know? So yeah, I wanted to just take back the fact that I said it wasn't good. I apologize and I wanted to take it back because I don't want any of you to not purchase this because of it, because it is expensive. So there is that, but I just want to say that I do really actually love it. I love it. Next up is an unfavorite of mine that I discovered. Don't come after me if you're a NARS person. It is their Luminous Weightless Foundation All Day. Love me some NARS. I just told you their liquid lipstick is like my favorite in the game. I like this foundation. It is lightweight. It is great coverage. Can I tell you what it does though that I was so embarrassed about? Like, you know when you're hugging somebody and you're like almost going for like their cheek or something and like you do like the so nice to meet you, and I do that a lot. But not because I was worried about my makeup, because it's the like bougie thing to do when you meet certain people. It's like, how are you, Francois? Lately, I've just been like, hi, how are you? And giving people hugs. You guys, every time I wear this foundation, if I set it or don't set it, it smears on the person. Does the coverage last all day? I'm sure it would if I didn't touch a human being all day, but that's not the case. You know how many dudes' shirts I've given hugs to? That sounded really bad. I Deepica all over their face is what I call it, because they have makeup everywhere all over it. I guess I have to call it a Deepica all over their face. Literally, it's so embarrassing. So, not my favorite product from NARS. Last but not least, I'm going to tell you guys about a random product. Tarte has a deodorant. It is a vegan deodorant. It is Clean Queen is what it's called. I was going on a trip. I randomly found this and I was like, oh cute, Tarte deodorant. Like I just was like, whatever. And I packed it in my travel bag. I smelled so bad. Like I could smell myself. This is vegan, so I was really excited. Hypoallergenic. I knew it was like good for the environment, so I like wanted to try it. Maybe I just got some bad smelling BO or like armpits because it did not work for me, you guys. And I would literally sometimes give people hugs and look down and be like, oh my God, it was embarrassing. If you smell like me or have, I don't know, glands like me, y'all know I love everything basically Tarte makes, but that just didn't work out personally. Okay, so that is January's favorites, unfavorites, the highs of the month, things I want to improve this month. I am so excited for 2018. It's going to be an incredible year. You got this, I got this. We're gonna make things happen for ourselves, keep each other accountable, and do it together. Cool? Cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next month. See you later.